Hello, it's Thursday the 19th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. So the Fed cut by 50 basis points last night. In the press conference, Powell explained how they felt the US economy is in pretty decent shape. Growth is fairly solid, inflation is coming down, and the labour market is still pretty strong. And they want to keep it like that. And they felt a 50 basis point rate cut was the best way to ensure that happens. Sterling jumped on the news, rallying to just shy of 133 against the dollar, but that move quickly ran out of steam and we closed back down around 132.15 last night. Meanwhile, on Threadneedle Street, the MPC is widely expected to leave rates unchanged today. They will announce their vote at 11 a.m, so be sure to tune into that one. Headline inflation stayed at 2.2% in August, but core inflation was 3.6%, up from 3.3%, and that's expected to be enough to encourage at least one vote to change from cut back to hold. And odds on, that might be Governor Bailey. However, now the Fed has entered the rate cut chat, market focus will start to shift away from inflation and towards growth. And that is one to watch, because don't forget, US inflation has hardly been taking big strides towards their 2% target recently. Where the Fed has still felt comfortable with a bigger cut, it suggests they have pivoted away from a laser focus on inflation and looking to stabilise employment. But Powell did emphasise he's not setting a precedent and the committee remains committed to data-driven decisions. The futures market is already pricing in another 50 basis points by year end, although that's more likely to come into 25 basis point rate cuts. As expected, the dollar saw a knee-jerk reaction to the rate cut. The dollar index dropped to around 100.25, but managed to recover close to 101, just a few pips lower on the day. We kick off this morning around 132.40 against the dollar, 118.90 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 111.30 on the open this morning. Tune in 11. It's going to be a big one on Threadneedle Street. All the best.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.